In this video, we'll walk you through the 10 most common challenges people face when picking living room paint colors, and simple solutions to help you find the perfect shade for your space. Natural and artificial light drastically change how paint looks throughout the day. For north-facing rooms, use warm neutrals to prevent the room from feeling cold. For south-facing rooms, cooler colors balance the warmth. For west-facing rooms, earthy tones enhance the cozy glow. Light, reflective colors balance in east-facing rooms, shifting light throughout the day. Too many paint options can make it hard to choose. Choosing the right white, warm whites, cream, ivory, feel cozy, while cool whites, blue white, gray white, feel modern. Grays have undertones, blue gray is cooler, green gray feels earthy, and purple gray looks elegant or moody. Bold colors, exciting in-store, but can feel overwhelming on large walls. Undertones can clash with flooring, trim, or stonework, making the color feel off. Address fixed elements first. Even if undertones are correct, the paint color must complement your furniture, upholstery, and decor. Dark wood furniture, mahogany, walnut pairs well with deep greens, navy blues, warm neutrals. Light wood furniture, oak, maple looks best with soft grays, muted blues, sage greens. The wrong paint finish affects durability and appearance. The wrong color can make a room feel too small or too large. Light shades, off-white, light gray, pale beige, make spaces feel larger. Darker tones, charcoal, deep navy, burgundy, create coziness. Painting shorter walls a darker color balances proportions. Many people play it too safe, leading to uninspired results. Bright red accent wall might feel too bold after painting. A safe light gray wall might lack warmth or personality. Colors often look different on walls than on paint chips. A soft green may look vibrant in daylight but dull at night. A light gray may turn blue or purple under certain lighting. Trendy colors may look stylish now, but feel outdated quickly. Pantone's color of the year might look great today, but feel dated in a few years. Gray was popular, but now many prefer warmer neutrals like taupe or grayish. Colors influence mood and energy levels. Warm tones feel inviting. Relaxing spaces, soft blues, muted greens, warm taupes promote calmness. Darker shades add warmth. Tackle these common paint challenges to find the perfect color for your space. Which challenge have you faced? Share in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.